Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda CRV. We're talking about that generation here from year 2012 to year 2016. If you have one of those guys, you need to find where the BCM fuses are located. It's multiple fuses. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So, before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CRV from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem, because in the manual often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means guys. But something else guys, here at the garage we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers guys. We have videos that help more than 350 million people guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now another thing guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses guys, but even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here, okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view guys of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So let's demonstrate where the BCM fuses are located on a 2015 Honda CRV right here. You guys have two different fuse boxes. We'll need the engine management fuse box, the one that's under the hood. That's the one where it will have the fuses that will correspond for the BCM. That's the fuse box here. Remove guys that cover right here on the fuse box, and once you open it, you will see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one. This right here will be the front of the CRV. This is towards the windshield side. So before we guys continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here we need to check multiple fuses guys, okay, for the BCM. And the first one, okay, you can see first, let's explain guys, you have those multi-block fuses. This one consists of 11 individual fuses integrated in one big long fuse. This one has 6, this one has 11. Now what they look like, let us show you a side view. This is the 11 fuse, 11 multi-block fuse. This is the top of the 6th one, and this is the side view of the one with the 6 fuses. Unfortunately one of them burns, so you have to replace the whole fuse box. The good news is that we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from at a good price and quick shipping as well. Here we'll need to check now multiple fuses guys. One of them is fuse number 36, okay. It will be that first fuse right here, okay, that you need to check. Then you need to come in that long fuse right here guys, okay, and here you will need to check fuse number 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 fuses practically are for the BCM right there guys. For any of you needing that information, hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.